Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. In this video, we are going to solve a set based on reasoning. Before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us. Our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for today's question. A hexathlon is a sport which comprises 6 events: 1000-meter running, 200-meter running, 200-meter breaststroke, 200-meter backstroke, 400-meter running, and 800-meter running, not necessarily in the same order. Any athlete who participates in the hexathlon participates in each of the 6 events, one after the other. The order in which any athlete participates in the 6 events is the same for all athletes. 6 athletes A through F participated in a hexathlon which started at exactly 10 a.m. on a particular day. The table below provides the event that each athlete was participating in at exactly 10:10 a.m. and 10:15 a.m. A hyphen indicates that none of the athletes were participating in that event at that time. Okay, so you can see that since all the athletes participate in the events in the same order, so we can determine the order of the events by observing the events that each athlete participated in at 10:10 and 10:15 a.m. Okay, so let's solve it. See, from A we can say, see, A is at 10:10 a.m. he is at 200-meter breaststroke, whereas at 10:15 800-meter running. So we can definitely say from A, we can definitely say that 200-meter breaststroke is before. I'll show before with a greater sign. So 200-meter breaststroke is before 800-meter running. Okay, 800-meter running. From B, what can we observe? We can observe that B participated in 400-meter running before uh, B participated in before the 200-meter running. Okay, so 200-meter run. Okay, guys. Now from C, what we can say, we can observe that 200-meter running is before 200-meter breaststroke. From D, what we can observe? We can observe that 200-meter backstroke, back is represented by BA, breaststroke is represented by BR. Okay, so 200-meter backstroke is before 400-meter running. Okay, 400-meter running. And from E, what we can see is that 1000-meter running is before 400-meter running. Okay, so 1000-meter running is before 400-meter running. Okay, now from F we cannot deduce anything as at both the time he is in the same 800 meters run. Okay, so now we can combine A and C. Okay, we can combine A and C, and what do we get? We get that 200-meter run, 200-meter run is before 200-meter backstroke, breaststroke, and that is before 800-meter running. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now combining this information with B, we can see that 400-meter running is before 200-meter running. So 400-meter run will come before this. So we have these four set. Now what you can do is, see, you can see now that here 400-meter R is there. So let's see what we can do. So combining this information with D, we can definitely say that 200-meter backstroke, 200-meter backstroke will be before 400-meter run, which will be before 200-meter run, which will be before 200-meter breaststroke, and which will be before 800-meter run. Okay, so we have our 5 events lined up. Now there's one more thing, that E, when we combine it with E, we can see that 1000-meter run is also comes before 400-meter run. So we know that the same sequence will follow with 1000-meter run. Okay, guys. Now we cannot deduce that whether 200-meter backstroke or whether 1000-meter run happens before. But for these four, we definitely can say that this is the third event, this is the fourth event, this is the fifth event, and this is the sixth event. Okay, so these four we can definitely say, but we cannot differentiate between the first and the second, that who will get the first one, who will get the second one. Okay, so let's make a table with this. So how can we make a table? Let's write order and event. Okay, so there are 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So first can be either 1000-meter run, or it can be 200-meter backstroke. Okay, the second can be 200-meter backstroke, or it can be a 1000-meter run. From third we have all of them fixed, that such that 400-meter running, then 200-meter running, then 200 breaststroke, and at the last it is 800-meter run. Okay, so we have all our events in sequence order. Now we can answer the questions accordingly. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching the video, guys.